welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and we are back once again to have a quick summarization and how do you change the color of your Haki. So acquire color change first. You need to obtain the item or ability that allows you to change the color of your Haki. This could be like through purchasing or finding it within the game. Accessing customization options, so you can change the item or ability customization within the game itself. So select Haki. Once you're done, navigate the section to the customization menu and then pertains to Haki or special abilities. So here you're going to find options how to change the color of your Haki. So you're going to be choosing whichever suits your desire needs on the customization of this one. Okay, so that's how quick and simple it is. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.